Hi, I'm Alex of Havatari, and thank you for watching another Havatari video. The blade should be divided into sections, and every section is sharpened separately. You can use 2 or 3 finger sections. Do the same amount of sharpening movements per section to ensure an even sharpening of the blade. Beginners should stop moving the knife when changing to a next section. As you would become more skilled in your sharpening, you can switch sections without stopping moving the knife. Same principle applies to the backside of the blade as well. For a single bevel knife, the front side is sharpened same way as a double bevel knife would be sharpened. Divide the blade in sections and sharpen every section with the same amount of strokes to ensure an even sharpening. For a single bevel knife, it is very important to sharpen every section as evenly as possible. For the backside, the sections are determined based on how wide sharpening stone are you using. Sharpen every section evenly, and when changing the sections, make sure that they would overlap each other.